Jeffrey Powers here from Geekazine. We're at the Neewer booth at CES 2023. Got Lucas here. We're going to talk about some cool lights. You can probably see it shining off my bald head that we could use for your influencers, your live streams, and a lot more next on Geekazine. So, Lucas, of course, I've been using Neewer lights for a very long time. My first camera light, which sat on top of my big camera that I used to take to CES, all the way to panel lights. My whole studio's pretty much either got a fabric or a panel light from Neewer on it. And then, of course, so much innovations, even in the last couple of years with LED lights. It's just crazy. We've got a whole ton of lights here flashing. Why don't you tell us what Neewer is working on right now, and of course these lights that we got over here.
Okay. A lot of our new lights have both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth control, which is a big plus. It gives them a lot wider range and more compatibility, where you can link them together and control multiple lights with one app or from one light itself.
Okay.
We're also working on having lights that are compatible with Elgato Stream Deck. So we have a light coming out at the end of January called the GL1 Pro that will be compatible with the Elgato Stream Deck. And after that, we're going to have some further RGB lights. The one we're having coming out in the end of January was just a bicolor.
Okay.
It's a key light. We have been manufacturing in our own facility for about the last 5 years, which has really improved our quality.
That's awesome.
Before that, we were kind of outsourcing, and having everything in-house, we can really control the quality. It really hasn't pushed up our costs at all because we have everything going on with one less person to.
Especially with those panel lights that look a lot like Neewer's, but aren't Neewer. It was crazy.
Yeah, we've been able to really, increase our CRI. All of our lights are pretty much 97 or higher.
Okay.
Which is a big plus.
Yeah. Especially for people like me that are trying to make high quality videos on a budget.
Yeah, you're not going to see it like washed out. It won't look like a fluorescent light. The main things we've been working on the dynamic range of the brightness also.
Okay.
We have lower lows. Our 1% are a lot lower than they used to be.
Really? Let's talk about what we've got over here. Let's just start on the far one right there. What's that?
So that's the SL90. Actually, it mounts a lot of other things onto it. As you can see, it has cold shoe mounts all over it.
Yeah.
That one is one of the ones that has both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. You can control it by an app. It has scene modes, RGB, CRI 97 plus. It's bicolor. It's a nice on-camera light that's not too bulky. It's less than $100. It's a nice little light.
All right, so now this is the one that really excited me. These little guys right here.
Yeah, these ones don't have any app control. They're all manual.
Okay.
But you can stack them up. And you can also mount them sideways, which is nice.
Yeah.
There's magnets in the back, so you can stick them on things. These ones are, I want to say, $29. They're really nice for little lights if you're, just to add a little.
You get a little mood lighting or
on your beards, a little beard lighting.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, it will work a little better because you got some more gray than me. But
oh, ouch! What are we doing on Kelvin on here?
These ones go from 8,500 to 2,500.
And then magnetic, so you can definitely put them almost
built-in battery, rechargeable. They've been on all day, so I mean the battery lasts a while.
Really? Is it at 1% right now?
Yeah, these ones are at 1%.
Okay, that's 1% power.
1% power.
All right, so then we have the big light here.
Yeah, that's the RGB one.
How's my beard now?
Oh, very nice.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, CRI 97.
That's crazy. Look at that.
That one is pretty cool because it is the whole back is a magnet. You can stick it on things. That one goes from 2,500 to, I think it's 85 also. It has this touchpad where you can touch control the color and you can link them together. This is the channel. You put them all on the same channel and you can control multiples.
Okay.
From one.
You can put the others up in the rafters and then just control one. That's awesome.
Or if you're, I use them like outside at night a lot. Like we have like an easy up.
Yeah.
They magnet right to that. You can control all of them.
Oh, nice.
Which is that's you can do a lot of fun things with these.
Awesome.
They come with a waterproof housing.
Okay.
They come with a directional grid softbox.
Okay.
They come with a bag and this wrist strap.
So how much are we talking
These are, we usually have them on sale. They're usually around $75.
75? That's awesome. Next up, we got this little camera light right here.
Yeah.
Oh, this little guy. And this is nice because this is also RGB. And tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, this is the C61. This one is CRI 96. Not quite as high, but it's still pretty nice.
That's good for a camera for something like this.
Yeah. These ones are, I'm going to say $33.99. But yeah, these ones are, the appeal is they're small, they're rechargeable. You have scene mode, HSI, and CCT. So,
that's
awesome. Full range.
And
There's no app control on these.
Oh yeah. But what I do like about it, you could put a microphone on the side, but you could put a second one on top.
Yeah.
For a different color, or maybe just to add more light to your shot.
Exactly.
And then we got one on the far end here.
Yeah.
And then we'll get to that.
This is a new one. This is the WP12. This one isn't even out yet.
Really?
This is a waterproof diving light, waterproof to 30 meters.
Oh, okay. That's crazy.
As you can feel, it's pretty heavy.
Yeah.
It'll also act as an anchor while you're diving.
Okay. Not for me. No, I'd be the anchor for that.
Yeah. But yeah, these ones are nice. It has a couple scene modes, but mainly what you want this one for is just the waterproof, and it's also very powerful.
Okay. And it doesn't do It doesn't do different colors.
No, that's a bicolor.
I see you do have some filters for that to use.
Snap these different color filters in if you want to add some underwater effects.
And you said that's not out yet, right?
No, that's coming out mid to late January. This is one of our first models of it that we have out here.
Do you know the price on that right now?
I don't know the price yet.
Okay.
It hasn't hit the market.
Soon to be.
Yes.
Soon to be. So,
yeah.
All right. Before we get to the big one that I was kind of geeking out over, because this is a really nice fabric light. Neewer has a lot of different panel lights. You see that over there. We've got the monopod right there, which is looks pretty sweet for nice camera shots. And then of course the teleprompters there.
We have different sizes of teleprompters. That's our largest one. That's the 17-inch.
Okay.
We also have them the whole way down to 12-inch. We have 17, 14, and 12-inch.
All right, let's talk about this one, because I'm big on the fabric lights.
Okay.
I love them because not only can I wrap them around trees and stuff like that, but I can put them up in the rafters and not feel like that whole rig is going to fall to the top of my head.
Yeah, right.
But this one takes the cake, the C80 cake.
Yeah.
And what is it?
So it's our fabric light. It is fully flexible. The back of it is hook and loop fastener, so you can attach the battery pack on the back. It takes a typical Sony NP mount battery.
Okay.
So NPF 550, 570, or we have 970 on there.
Yeah, and this is the first fabric light I've seen that takes a battery. I mean, the fabric lights that I have from Neewer already didn't take a battery at all.
Correct. Yes, we used to have plug-in ones, and big improvement with the battery, and also the battery mount has cold shoe mounts on it, so you can slap it on a ball head and put it on your camera. Okay. Or you can put it on a rig or whatever you want.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Was it one battery pack in the back? I can't remember.
Yeah, it's a single. Any more than that, it gets a little bit heavy, but it's it has a full LED display on the back.
Okay.
It has scene modes, CRI 97.
Let's just turn it around really quick.
Sure. You got the lock for your battery. You've got a really big battery on the Expert CES. You can see the battery's still full. We've had it on since 9 a.m.
Nice. Okay.
So yeah, we have an FX scene on right now.
Is it on its brightest level or just basic? Yeah. We were at like 95%. So.
Yeah, that's because we were playing with it. We had it on low earlier.
Yeah.
But yeah,
still that's pretty cool. So.
It's pretty bright. You have mounts all over. You can see it's mounted on this stand. Very easy to mount on things.
Okay.
It's a versatile light. You can do lots of stuff with it. I've seen people make little like shooting tents with it.
Yeah.
Because you can just put it on top of things because it's so light. You can just set it on it.
Okay.
And you can just rip it off. Set it wherever you want.
Oh yeah, use it like a fabric light.
Yeah.
And I love the fact that it's all Velcro instead of the corners being Velcro.
Exactly.
So that works really well.
Yeah.
How much is that?
$94.99.
Okay, under $100.
Yeah, under $100. Yes.
That's great. So to recap, we got a lot of cool small lights here for great prices and a great fabric light for whatever you need to do a little bit of accenting or just to lighten your. I could see taking this to CES and carrying this around with me. What do you know what the weight is? Is it?
Not much. It depends on the battery you put on. It's going to be less than 3 pounds for the whole thing.
Lots of great stuff, and of course the panel lights, the C stands, the softbox,
that's a parabolic softbox.
You got all the lights to light up your live stream, to light up your YouTube video, to light up your movie, or anything like that. So
got it all.
All right. So where do people go for more information?
www.neewer.com.
All right, there you go, neewer.com. All right, well, thank you very much, Lucas, for your time. All right, Neewer, it's amazing what you can do with these lights. Like I said, I've been using them for a very long time. That's what we see at CES 2023. Lots of great videos coming your way, so stick around. Go subscribe over at Geekazine.com, youtube.com/Geekazine. Like, subscribe, comment, bell notification. You know how to do it. Just do it, and everything's good to go. Thanks a lot for watching. Until next time, thanks to Jacob. And of course, until next time, you guys, geek out and light up your life.